So, how specifically do you think that your medical training and your healthcare experience influences how you would approach a new client, for instance?
So even though I wished that I could have gone, if I had found Pilates in 1970, I know that I would be a very different teacher than finding it now. Because now I really understand how pain affects the body and how using the physics of movement to help the body feel very safe to reintegrate. I teach very differently than I would have had I not had all of those years as a nurse.
I think sometimes we think of Pilates as something that ballet instructors might gravitate toward, but you must be an unusual case having a healthcare background and being able to teach movement with that recognition of the body and how the body works mechanically.
Yeah, so I think that a teacher who is teaching ballet will teach to that audience, which is wonderful. Yes, keep people dancing. Let that joy be absolutely exploding on the stage so that we can all be nourished by that, absolutely. For me, now I think that not just for performers, I'm for humans. I'm just seeing the whole arc of our life. That we can be healthy, that we can be strong, that we can do anything. The body is evolving all of the time. The body is always changing, and so it changes by the way that we use it. So that's the focus that I can bring from years of being a nurse, understanding physics of movement, both when it's working well and when it's not working well, and how to find that gradation to move from not so good to better, and now challenge me, really help me grow in this fine detail.